Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Microsoft Entra ID and apps using exports, beginner guide step by step clearly. To backup Microsoft Entra ID and apps using exports, first, make sure you have appropriate permissions. Log into the Microsoft Entra Admin Center using your credentials. Navigate to the Entra ID section from the left-hand menu. Once there, locate the Users option and select it. In the Users section, find the user whose data you wish to export. Click on the user's name to access their profile details. Look for the option labeled Export or Download. Choose the format you prefer for your backup, typically CSV or JPEG. Click the Export button to initiate the download. Once the file is downloaded, ensure it is saved in a secure location. Next, to backup applications, return to the main dashboard in the Entra Admin Center. Select the application's link from the navigation menu. Identify the application you want to backup and click on it. In the application settings, look for the Export option, usually found under Settings or Properties. Select the option to export the application data. Again, choose your preferred file format for the export. After selecting the format, click Export to start the process. Wait for the export to complete and the file to download. Save this application backup in the same secure location as your user data. Verify that both files have been downloaded successfully. Consider creating a designated backup folder for better organization. Always keep a regular backup schedule to ensure your data remains up to date. Review your backup files periodically to confirm their integrity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.